I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
Yeah, can't wait to go on my whip. Here I go. Oh!
Where is it? I need that worm.
Rick?
What?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a worm that I need for my science lab.
What science lab?
Science lab downstairs.
Oh, the thing I spilled down?
Yes, that science lab.
Wait. It didn't sound like...
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
Let's go see.
Oh, wait, guys.
What?
Can I come?
I don't care. Let's go. What the? Look.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
He got a new motorcycle.
What are you doing?
We're looking at Spider-Man's new motorcycle over there.
He just left.
Well, let's go see that motorcycle. Let's go see that motorcycle. Let's go.
I gotta take my clothes off.
No, okay, I'm going. Oh yeah, I love my new motorcycle. Yo, Spider-Man.
Did you just drive on us? Where are you going?
Yeah, I got a new motorcycle. How did you get this motorcycle?
I'm rich, man. I'm like super rich. I'm richer than Teddy.
Oh yeah, did you rob that store?
Yeah, man.
With Carlito, what's his name, dude?
Carlito. I think that's his name.
Oh,
yeah, that's my brother.
Yo, bro.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I've been doing some cocaine.
Are you drunk?
Maybe.
We got some lift.
Nah, bro.
Wait, who's that? Yo, I heard they got a new motorcycle over there.
Yeah, man. What are they doing, bro?
Yo, let's go see.
Yeah, bro, we should go steal that. Man, what is these losers doing?
Hey, you gonna hand over that motorcycle or what? Maybe I throw some bombs.
He's not gonna hand over anything.
Hand me over that motorcycle, or I got a secret weapon.
What's your secret weapon?
This Glock, boy.
Alright, bro. Spider-Man, just hand him in the thing.
No,
Why?
man, this is my motorcycle.
Why?
I'll tell you, fool. Well, that's one down. Anybody else want to die?
Okay.
You know what? Die! Yeah, should I mess with me? You know what?
Rick!
You better hope that motorcycle, or you the next one to die.
Alright, I got this.
Time to shoot. I'm out of bullets. You don't mess them now. Dang! Explode him!
Hey! I got a bullet.
Huh?
I got a bullet. Ready? This is what you get.
Yeah! Now I'm gonna explode you. Well, you alright, Spider-Man?
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive the bird.
Well, not ready to. He might be drunk again.
Okay, man.
They're gonna be sorry for that. We gonna come back at night and steal that motorcycle.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here, man. Alright, it's the bike.
Yeah.
Yo, I can't wait to get this. Let's go, let's get out of here, man.
Okay. Wait. Let's drive this.
Let's go. Alright, what was that sound?
What was that?
Over there!
Over there! Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
So, you're trying to steal the bike, huh?
Oh, yeah, some kids riding a scooter. Shut up!
That's freaking idiots. So, you better die now. Idiot, I'm about to get out of here. I'm gonna take you with me.
I'm taking one with me.
What you see, I'm still dreaming. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know